Speaking of the capabilities of advanced combat tools, the Ukrainian armed forces are still actively using its flagship weapon, the FH-70 155mm Howitzer, which is used to destroy Russian combat vehicles. Welcome to Military Report today, again present to convey information about the capabilities of the FH-70 155mm Howitzer, which has been successfully used well by the Ukrainian forces to destroy Russian armored vehicles. Howitzer FH-70, capable of knocking out enemies with fire up to a range of 25 kilometers, with conventional projectiles, as well as being able to work with the help of rocket projectiles, capable of hitting targets at a range of about 30 kilometers. Ukrainian troops who had destroyed the enemy using the FH-70 Howitzer noted there were two advantages of this artillery system, first having excellent accuracy, as well as having an advanced engine that moves at speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour. The FH-70 Howitzer, with excellent accuracy and excellent maneuverability, the operating force can maneuver without a truck and can move to another firing position, or drive to a shelter that the truck cannot accommodate. With an automatic loading tray system, the FH-70 can perform 3 shots in a matter of 15 to 20 seconds simultaneously. The rate of fire at short distances is capable of working with 6 shots per minute, and for the long term with 2 shots per minute. A very remarkable pace of operation, the FH-70 can be operated by 8 troops, who are deployed to carry out firing in less than 2 minutes, and have a trajectory of 56 degrees left and right with altitudes from -5 degrees to +70 degrees. The FH-70 weighs from 7,800 to 9,600 kilograms, with a barrel length of 6 meters, and can be towed by various military trucks at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour, equipped with armament, mounts with an integrated recoil system and loading mechanisms. The FH-70 consists of a monoblock barrel, equipped with a double baffle muzzle brake, a breech mechanism incorporating a semi-automatic vertical sliding block, with a capacity of 9 tubes, used tube ejection, and an emergency firing mechanism. The FH-70 mount, equipped with a 155mm caliber cannon, can work with semi-automatic loading systems, with NATO standard guns that can fire all 155mm ammunition, and a special range of 155mm shells installed, including a strong low-drag HE-frag shell. The FH-70, equipped with an aiming system, is mounted to the left of the saddle and consists of a support bracket, a dial aimer incorporating a quadrant elevation scale, and leveling bubbles, a periscopic dial aimer, and a direct flame telescope. Then, a night view of the live fire can also be installed on the FH-70. All scales, graticles and bubbles turn on automatically, with the sight carrier combining transducers for azimuth and elevation. One of the main features on the FH-70 is the integration of an APU placed in a space frame, mounted on the front of the carriage, consisting of a Volkswagen 1,800 cubic centimeters commercial engine with a gearbox, differential, battery and hydraulic pump. Using APU mode, the FH-70 can operate at speeds of up to 16 km per hour, and is able to overcome slopes of up to 34%. Then, when towed it can wade to a depth of 1.5 meters and when using an APU up to 0.75 meters. The APU mode installed on the FH-70 Howitzer serves to drive the main wheels and drive the howitzer, as well as providing hydraulic power for steering, for raising, lowering the main and trail wheels. This facility makes it possible to quickly unplug, lower the howitzer to the ironing tread, open and lower the path easily in action, as well as remove the shovel from the ground, lift the equipment, close the lane quickly, and relax. In case of emergency, when the APU is removed, power is provided by a hand pump, with the presence of advanced machines, a quick hydraulic system and a shock capsule magazine, allowing the Ukrainian troops to complete the task as quickly as possible.